Yeah, it's been a little while since the last vlog. I thought I would do something for the Brisbane Festival, which is a festival that basically runs through all of September. It has a bunch of art and installations and light shows and culminates in the fireworks at Riverfire. So I'm super excited by this because, you know, we're just in a place that we can do this and I'm feeling really, lucky and good about it. So let's check out this first installation, which is just around the corner from my place. This is native endangered flowers to Australia. So let's go check them out. So look, that's just extremely cool. I really enjoyed that. The next thing is actually just around the corner, a art gallery. They've got old city cycle bicycles, which was the bicycle hire. Sort of ripped them all up and reconstructed them into a piece of art, which apparently is supposed to be a critique on sustainability, which I would have loved one of those bikes, and now they're gone. So, I don't know, let's go check them out. My understanding is that the city cycles basically were impossible to recycle because they were designed to be just so heavy and so like theft proof, I guess, that they just can't be serviced anymore. So you know what, I'm happy with the art. So yeah, quick trip in. Word, yeah, failing me. Hey, quick trip in took about 15 minutes. Let's go find these artworks.
In the sunflow. We've discovered we can produce plants capable of growing pharmaceuticals. By 2025, we expect plant-based pharmaceuticals to be approved for widespread use.
So tonight is Friday. Not quite night yet, close to. I'm technically still at work, so I need to get my laptop out shortly. But I'm catching a CityCat, a ferry, out to Hamilton to check out another piece of the Brisbane Festival. This is another floating installation. So that looks like my ferry. Let's go for a ride. The artwork.
Oh, it's coming down.
Oh, really?
It's actually coming down the river.
Yeah. Well, that was kind of cool. It looks like a mini sky whale, I guess. So I've taken the ferry to North Shore Hamilton, and this is where Eat Street Market is, which is a big open air. Looks a lot more fancy than I imagined. Food court, kind of the fair, I don't know. I really want to check out the rest of the Brisbane Festival, and I spotted one of the installations that looks like an inflatable thing. Let's go and have a look. Definitely not going to bother with that. Not just yet. We'll go check out the art first. I found myself in a place where I don't think people are supposed to be. It should be like up here, around the corner. I think we might have found it. This looks really cool. This thing is ridiculous. Are located around the coast. Enjoy your artwork cruise on May. Things calmed down, people started to leave, the DJ stopped the bangers and started the "it's time to go home" music. It was really fantastic, really happy to be a part of that. Tomorrow night is Riverfire, and that's the end of everything. So I'm looking forward to it. I don't know how I'm gonna get home from here. Today is the big day. It's the last day of Brisbane Festival and it's Riverfire. So we are going to see some fireworks very soon. But before then, there's something else I'm interested in. It is the Sailing Regatta. It's a sailing race, sailing boat race on the Brisbane River, and it is just down the road from my place. So Ben's, I figure he won't want to be in the vlog. Going to be here in a bit. We're going to go check that out. I'm excited to see what that is. Let's do it. Oh, that's fun.
The little thing is.
Yeah.
Are you trying to put me on camera? Yeah.
Told ya. I was just saying to Ben, I have no idea what's going on, but it's a lot of fun. And I'm just excited that this is here. They're racing. Do you really hate it this much?
Yes.
Oh, Ben.
Well, they said on the thing it's a substantial canopy package.
I wonder by whose standards.
Yeah. They've not seen me eat.
Ugh. Free spoon. Great, yeah. Where am I gonna go? This is the most excited I've ever been, ever in my entire life. No, that's not true. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just excited. That's mildly terrifying. Excuse us. Hey?
How do you know it's this one?
It's not, it's just whatever. Do I look pretty?
Very much so.
Close your eyes, 'tis the season.
Thank you. So there's like 5 minutes left. The fireworks are about to start. We've had our nibbles, we've had our drinks, and man, I'm so excited. It's gonna be great. Well, that was a really fantastic Brisbane Festival. I am super stoked and kind of happy that it's over, because now I can go and do nothing for a little bit. I don't have anywhere to be. And we're done. Yeah. No, that was really fantastic. Brisbane Festival, if you ever have the opportunity, come and check it out. So I'm a bit ginned. I'm gonna go, leave this here, and catch you another time.